Today I'm just going to give you tips or idea how did I survive the winter, because you know I wasn't born here in a cold place like this, and I easily get sick, and I spent hundreds and hundreds of dollars for my hospitalization each year during winter. So this winter I'm going to share it to you how did I survive the winter without going to the doctor that much. So I saved a lot of money. But first of all, I'm going to give you a short update about my igloo. It's amazing because it's still standing there for 3 weeks now. If there's no more snow to come, the igloo will melt anytime soon, because spring is just right there in the corner. It's coming. Yeah, I'm still wearing my Missouri jacket. Yeah, I love this jacket. I lived in Missouri for several years before I moved to Wyoming. Alright, so this is the most effective DIY cough syrup that I have learned from my friends. They taught me how to drink whiskey, but you need to put some lemon in there. Lemon and whiskey. Yeah. Lemon, put some honey. If you have that honey in the bottle, that's better. But for the meantime, this is the only honey that I have, so I'm going to pour it out here in the glass like that. So sweet. Yeah, because it's honey. I already put lemon and I'm just squeezing this honey. This is my leftover whiskey. I'm going to pour it out here. Oh my god. Yeah! Like that. So pour out a little whiskey. But do not drink a lot. You don't need to be alcoholic. I don't advise to be alcoholic, but once in a while, especially if you live in cold places like Wyoming, you need some alcohol in your body. It will make you a little bit warmer during the winter. So I put whiskey and lemon, and it's optional. If you have mint, the leaves, it is more effective. But if you don't have mint at all, it's fine. And I'm telling you, this is so effective. I've been drinking this once in a while just to keep myself warm. You know, it's perfect. As I have told you, you don't need to be alcoholic. I drank this for the sake of whatever. I know I need it. I just need it, so I drank it just like that. And you know what? Aside from whiskey, vodka is also good to keep you warm during the winter. Mix it with orange, maybe. Yeah, orange. Whiskey. You can mix it with soda like Coca-Cola or Pepsi, but vodka, you should use orange or maybe orange juice or whatever. During the winter, you don't need to drink tequila because tequila is cold. So tequila is perfect during summer because it makes your body colder. Yeah, that's the secret. Vodka and whiskey, drink it during the winter because it makes your body warmer, and tequila makes your body a little bit colder. So drink tequila during the summer instead. Good. And by the way, I got this online. It's so beautiful. There's a boat inside. My wife gave this to me as a gift last December. One of the perfect gifts that I got last Christmas. It's so perfect for my whiskey. And it has 4 glasses and a base, wooden base, a holder, and it's so beautiful. It has a map on it. Same with this one. It's like a globe. So beautiful. So perfect. One of the perfect gift that I got last Christmas. Now drink moderately. You know, I rather drink alcohol during winter than to go to the doctor because it's so expensive. One checkup I spent $500 sometimes just for the checkup. So I just drink a little alcohol. Sometimes I drink wine. So I have wine here. My friends brought me all this wine here. It is a gift from my friends. So I have different kinds of wines here. I got red wine and white wine and a lot of wines. Wine in a box with that thing here. Some of my friends are bringing me beer too. But wine and whiskey is more effective during winter. And there you go. Now I have wine. It helps too. It is good. So that's it for today. Maybe that DIY cough syrup helps you a little bit or gives you an idea. For me, this is the best cough syrup because cough syrup has a bad effect to me. All right, so that is all right.